Good day, YouTube, and all of my beloved viewers. Today, I have a very special video planned for you today. We are going to be unboxing not one, but two K&K chopsticks. And now, when you first look at this package, there are a few things that kind of pop to your eyes. You see, you got the just vibrant green and blue color scheme mixed with this red K&K. That's just, it just pops and it gives you that, I don't know what the word would be, just aesthetics that you need in any type of chopsticks. So there is one catch that I think may tone down the style points a little bit. On this green one, the K&K is a little faded, and I don't know if you can see, but there's like a little brown dot there. I don't know what that is or how that got over here, but we're still gonna unbox them anyways, because you know you gotta keep going. And here's just one little thing you guys might be curious about. They are made in Vietnam. I can't really think of very many things that have been made in Vietnam, so that's more points for uniqueness. And the actual packaging, other than the artwork on it, it's not gonna lie, it's pretty cheap. It's like that packaging you get for McDonald's straws, so not the best, but you know, the overall packaging isn't the most important. The most important is what's inside. Now, if you look on the back, and I know it's being kind of long and we're still going, but you got to keep with the flow, you know. It's got some nice handy dandy. Ugh. Sorry about that. I set it up wrong. It's nice handy dandy instructions. Crap. Sorry about this. Bear with me. I'm sorry I had a little chuckle there. I know this is a very serious topic. It's kind of funny when the camera goes on the middle of a video on something as serious as this. Hopefully my laughter doesn't turn to tears soon, because this is getting quite frustrating. This is my big come on moment. Anyways, is it time? Is it time that we dive into these magnificent creatures? I think it is. So we're gonna start with the green, because just from the outer packaging it does not look as quality, so we'll save the best for last. Just from feeling, you can tell. Okay. Smells like nothing really, but I wonder how the actual. What's a beauty? Just one at a time. There's our first chopstick. Just actually, I'll take them both out. Why not? We're living on the edge today, aren't we, boys? So it seems as if it is made of bamboo, which I really do like that in a chopstick. That's one of the best designs, and there is one slight problem. If you can tell here, it's not quite as even as I like for my chopsticks, but you know, other people have different preferences, so I don't want to judge there. And I do like these little divots right here. They're very stylish. Like, I just imagine like me going with my friends. They all pull out their chopsticks. They got like the special silver ones. They got like maybe even the gold plated. But you know, I wouldn't feel that bad coming with chopsticks that have this type of bang and power on the tips. Like, this makes me smile thinking about it. These are good so far. Now, it does seem like it's already kind of shaven off, which is really bad, but let's do some sensory tests. So it feels really smooth and nice. It doesn't smell like anything. Tastes like wood. I don't know how else to describe it. I do like the flavor though. And I know chopsticks aren't made for eating. And I don't want to disrespect anyone who doesn't want to eat their chopsticks, or anyone that does, but I will say it does taste pretty appealing. What other senses are there? There's sound. That is actually, like, that is a really aesthetically pleasing sound. Like, that, even if you don't use chopsticks, you gotta appreciate that. That could be a drum kit right there. And then just vision, I think I've already kind of described. It looks pretty nice. So, the green chopsticks so far, they're doing pretty good. They're doing pretty good. But now let's unbox blue ones. I'm sorry. This is a big moment in my life. It's pretty nerve-wracking. Ooh, first glance, there seems like there's a slight angle on this chopstick, which it may impact the accuracy. Like if you're picking up like 1 grain of rice, as you will see later in this video, it may affect it. But let's see. Ooh, we got a shaving there too. Ooh, multiple shavings. It's already coming apart. Ooh, these blue chopsticks. Not gonna lie, I think I like the green ones more. But we do have to go through all the senses. Sounds the same. Smells the same, as in nothing. Feels the same. I do like that taste. That is superb. That is okay. Overall, I think these chopsticks are pretty quality. Just from looking at it and doing some basic tests right here, I would recommend them so far. But you know, you can't just tell a book by its cover. You can't read a book. Wait, what's it? You can't judge a book by its cover. So I think we might have to put these babies to the test. Can I have? Thank you, sir. I gotta just bear with me. Now you can see the trash I made, but I mean, what you gonna do? I was just unboxing. Of course, okay. Actually, can one of my cameramen come and get a little bit more of a close-up on this rice? Thank you, sir. Okay, so these are the blue chopsticks. Let's just test the accuracy. Rice right there, let's see how accurate they are. Oh, see, the fact that they go down, there's that like little gap there, and that's making it very difficult. I wish that they would make that gap a little smaller. As you can see, I can get around the chop, or get around the rice, but it's not quite effective. So we might have to try to pick it up like this. See, and then it's like winning one of those impossible arcade games. Now, see, I know that this isn't regular protocol, but we're gonna try this, see if it works. See, they're just a little too thick. I don't know, they don't quite thin up enough. I can see that the manufacturers got a little lazy when it came to the end construction of these chopsticks. They are beautiful, but when it comes to practicality, they don't seem too good. Off the table, that's great. Now, just so we can finish off this blue, let's just see if it can pick anything up, because if it can't, I surely will not recommend it. Okay, they do work. They do work. Now let's try these green ones. Let's try these green ones. Come on, DJ. Oh crap. Oh. I know this is probably hard to watch, but guess what? It's even harder to do, because this is, not gonna lie, this is really frustrating right now. It just doesn't. It doesn't quite get there. It's just something's missing from these chopsticks when it comes to practicality. See, that was a personal error right there. What am I doing? Oh, I almost had it. See, it picks up stuff like this fine. It's fine, but let's see if that's upside down. We're getting intuitive on this channel today. Dang it. Okay, come on. Let's see if all 4 combined will be like the Power Rangers and be something magnificent. Dang it. Okay. Oh. Whoops. I apologize. I know that wasn't quite appropriate for a topic as serious as this, but okay. So, do you have any more tests on my staff? Any more tests that you would like me to try? No? Okay. So, time to rate these chopsticks. Honestly, I don't remember which color is which. I kind of raged and it got a little sorted out, so But I'm just gonna rate them overall. So packaging, I really do like the packaging. It's simple, but yet vibrant. It's like, it's calm, but yet packs a bang, you know? And it's got the instructions for people who don't know how to use chopsticks. Like me. But I do know how to review chopsticks. That's what matters. So the packaging, I'm gonna give it a solid 8 out of 10, which is, if you watch any more of my chopstick unboxing videos, which this is the first one, but I may want to make this a series, so if there's more, you'll all come to know that 8 out of 10 is pretty good for packaging. Now when it comes to the actual chopstick aesthetics, they are really good. Like, I really like these chopsticks. I love chopsticks made out of bamboo. They're really good. I would have to give it a 9 out of 10, but when it comes to actual practicality, I mean, it technically works, but when it comes down to the nitty-gritty, it doesn't quite do it for me. So I know this may be a little harsh, but I'm gonna have to give it a 2.5 out of 10. So overall, I'll give these chopsticks I'll give them a 6 out of 10, which could be better, but ultimately could be worse. They're decent chopsticks, and I know these chopsticks are pretty affordable. So if you're kind of a poor or lower middle class family that's looking for some good chopsticks that can kind of just get you through your dinner times, I think I would recommend these. So ultimately, I do like these chopsticks, and they are a good creation. So good job K&K, good job. Now that's it for my unboxing. No way. Look at how it landed. Look.
You might want to up the rating.
Look, yeah, that's some extra style points. Let's bump that to an 8 out of 10. How about that? There is no way. Let's see if I throw more. Let's see what happens. That is cool. Look at how it naturally makes the natural chopstick habitat for him. Look, that is beautiful. Now, well, let's see what happens if I just throw it up. Look, what? What? These things? Houdini? This is amazing. Maybe these aren't chopsticks. Maybe they're like trick sticks. These are. Wait a second. What do we have here? What? Multiplying chopsticks? Wow. Let's throw it up one more time, right live. Let's make sure it hits the ceiling, see what happens. What an aesthetically pleasing sound. Just look at that perfect case of entropy, how they all just spread out. That's amazing. Wow, these chopsticks, they may not be the best chopsticks to use for eating, but if you're looking for a variety chopstick, these might actually have to be a 10 out of 10. These are things no chopstick that I've seen have done. That's surely deserving of a 10 out of 10. Maybe they're not like the mainstream, just pick up a grain of rice chopsticks. Maybe these are the chopsticks of the future. You know what? 10 out of 10. Cut the video there. These chopsticks are a 10 out of 10.